Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome to my PlayFi review. Today we're going to find out if PlayFi is a legitimate money-making application or not. Hope you enjoy. We're on the road to 100k subscribers. Let's kick this off. So this is PlayFi on the Google Play Store. It's currently sitting on over 100,000 downloads. The whole concept of PlayFi is that we can earn free cryptocurrency just by using their application on a daily basis. So for today's video, I'm going to be testing these features out to show you my results. As soon as you turn on PlayFi, you'll be greeted to this message. Tap to start earning. Once activated, we will start earning for 24 hours, everyone. And this is what the main screen of PlayFi looks like. Very straightforward setup here. As you can see, it's all laid out very nicely. I'm going to go through all of these features on today's video for you. We'll start at the top of the screen here. As you can see, there's a balance area. Simply tapping on this controller activates the earning mode. But now we do have to watch an advertisement. So the way that PlayFi works, you watch advertisements, and in return, PlayFi will allow you to start earning. Right now, you can see my balance is 13.3 of the PlayFi token. We'll get into that token later on, but for now, let me just go back to the other earning methods. You can see that there's a USDP balance here, which is currently 0. This is the USDP stablecoin, which is pretty much like a one-to-one conversion of a United States dollar. We then have the start inviting button. So this is what the referral page looks like on PlayFi. To actually use PlayFi, you will need a referral code. So feel free to use mine that's on the screen right now. When both you and your teammate are active, you get a 25% earning rate increase. And as an extra referral bonus, you get to keep 10% of their winnings for free without impacting their earnings at all. So this is my team at the moment. It seems my team has generated about 2.4 of the PlayFi token, and they are currently inactive, but we can ping them to make them active. At the bottom of the screen, there's a prize multiplier. This is where PlayFi wants you to invite as many people as possible. Here you can see players can earn up to 130% of an extra earning multiplier based on how many members are currently active on your team. You need to have at least 6 active players though in your team to activate any multiplier bonus. Let me ping my teammate now, and now it says I've just pinged all inactive teammates. So essentially, once you use my referral code, we all earn together. Now there is a draw tickets area here. This is where you can spin a wheel and earn various prizes. You can see we can either win some tickets or we have earning multipliers. So let's spin that wheel now. Okay, the wheel has been spun and now another advertisement has played. In this circumstance, I feel like advertisements are okay, and we'll get to the reason why later. It seems we've just won a single ticket. So I'm going to tap use the ticket. This is where PlayFi really shines because you can enter into a sweepstakes area with these tickets. And as you can see here, there are many spots for tickets. There's a prize pool of up to $1,000 every single day given away. I'm fairly sure this prize pool is subject to change though. But you'll notice that there are many opportunities for you guys to actually enter in this daily prize pool giveaway. You just have to keep spinning that wheel. So let me enter in my ticket now. This is where you enter in whatever numbers you think are going to be lucky. And there we go. My ticket is now officially entered. Now that that's done, I can go back and draw some more tickets. But let's get back to the other features. You can see here that you can actually claim a power-up. These little bonus chests will come in handy big time. I'm going to tap claim now. So now the chest has been opened, and now we can claim our 20% earning boost. Let's tap claim. And now the advertisement has played. From what I've read, these chests are available every single hour, so it's best to check back on PlayFi regularly throughout your day. PlayFi states they've given away over $200,000 to over 140,000 players. Apparently my region has been picked to have a bigger prize pool, so that's interesting. Now you'll notice at the bottom of the screen here something called offer walls. This is the main part of today's video because I'll be personally using the offer walls for today's video to show you guys the earning process. Because the actual PlayFi token itself is not currently publicly listed. So there's no real value for it at the moment, at least from what I can tell. Whereas the USDP stablecoin, that is something we can actually withdraw, which means, yes, we can actually earn on PlayFi currently. It's just not with the tokens themselves. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So this is the offer walls page, okay? And it's very straightforward. You have the various different offer wall providers, whether it be offer walls themselves or survey walls, because yes, PlayFi supports surveys. Now on the offer walls, 1,000 coins equals $1 worth of the USDP stablecoin. So pretty much $1 worth of USD. I have a total of 5 different offer walls here in Australia. You'll also notice there's a 5% bonus for some of these offer walls. But looking at the surveys area, you can see there's 3 survey providers available, one offering a 15% bonus and another offering a 10% bonus. So you really want to look out for these bonuses to maximize your earning potential. Let's go through some of these offer walls now so you can see the potential earnings within them. First, let's look at Frozen Peak. So Frozen Peak seems like a standard offer wall provider, okay? Just remember 1,000 of the coins equals $1 worth of USD essentially. So that's something you have to keep in mind here while you're scrolling through these offers. Simple as that. I mean, that's the best way I feel like you can convert the currency in your head, because you might even find the same offer on another offer wall that pays you better, which I know is pretty crazy once you think about it, but that's just how it works. Next, we have Golden Desert. Again, Golden Desert just seems like a very basic, straightforward offer wall provider. I do appreciate when money-making apps at least put the effort in to have various different offer wall providers, because I feel like a lot of them really don't do this, which kind of limits the earning potential on them. But obviously, just keep scrolling down and try and find the one that you think will pay you the most for your time. Next, we have Paradise Beach. This is the Offertora offer wall, by the way. In PlayFi, they just give these offer walls different aliases, I guess to make them kind of unique in their own way. But yes, it is Offertora, guys, so you've probably all dealt with Offertora before in the past. Here you can see the various prices that I can get for completing various offers on Offertoro. We have Village Farm. Village Farm seems to have better offers for me, at least here in Australia, than Offertoro does, interesting enough. That's why I say shopping around is so important, everyone. It's pretty crazy, man, how much these offer wall providers will differ from each other when it comes to prices they're willing to give you. Last up, we have Hyper Island. Hyper Island seems pretty straightforward as well. You simply just go down the list and pick whatever one you think is worth your time for the coin ratio. So just remember, you want to try and get the best return on investment when it comes to offer walls, always. Now with the surveys, let's check out Jungle Arena. So this is Polefish, ladies and gentlemen. We've all dealt with Polefish in the past. As you can see here, their survey offers aren't really paying that much when it comes down to it. We're looking at about 10 cents to 30 cents per survey on Polefish. So I would probably skip Polefish on PlayFi. Next we have Mystery Gorges. Now this is CPX Research, which usually gives the highest paying surveys from any survey provider. So what you can see here, you're looking at about 63 cents on average for the surveys on CPX Research. The only problem is when it comes to surveys, there's a very high % chance you're going to get disqualified, which is a big pain, everyone. But at least they have CPX Research on here. We then have Dreamy Pier, and that's BitLabs, guys. So we're all familiar with BitLabs as well. BitLabs actually does surprise me sometimes, because they could have some surveys that have at least between $1 to 50 cents worth of currency. Like you look at this one here, $1 for 13 minutes of our time. But again, no guaranteed we're not going to get disqualified. PlayFi also has a system here where if they reach 1 million players, the earnings are going to go 50% slower. You can see here this big graph showcasing how slow it's all going to get when it comes to earning their tokens. So that's why it's best to jump on early before everyone else does. Now realistically, unless you have a big team here on PlayFi, you're not really going to be earning that much currency right now. And the main reason why I'd use it is for the USDP cash outs. That's why they really want you to enter into the giveaway draws. There's nothing wrong with that, because I know a lot of people out there do like these sweepstake giveaway applications. Now tapping on the withdraw button brings you to your earning history and the withdraw page. So right now it states I have $0, but that's because I completed an offer wall last night and completed a survey for 63 cents. Now, did I actually get paid my money from PlayFi? Well everyone, I'm very happy to say I cashed out to my Coinbase account, where they gave me multiple options of different cryptocurrencies to cash out from, and I was paid literally instantly my cryptocurrency. So yes everyone, in my opinion, PlayFi is 100% legit at the time of this recording. Something that you guys need to know though, I think if you make over $10 or so of currency on this application at once, or if you win one of the big prizes, or to even claim some of your referral bonuses, you'll need to submit your KYC, which is Know Your Customer, aka your identification for verification. So some people may not like that, but I would personally specifically use PlayFi for completing surveys and offers to earn quick cryptocurrency every single day. Hope I helped someone out there. Please be sure to check out my YouTube channel and website, of course. We are on the road to 100k subscribers. Cheers again, everyone. I'll see you all tomorrow for another review.